Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before we dive in, let me hydrate my throat. Today we're talking about why 90% of Forex traders lose money and how to be in the 10%. If you're watching this, I want you to pause for a moment and ask yourself, am I on the path to being part of the 90%? Or am I doing what it takes to be in the 10%? In this video, I'm going to break down the real reasons why most traders fail, the traps you need to avoid, and the exact shifts that can put you in the minority that actually grows accounts consistently. The harsh reality. Forex is the largest financial market in the world, with over $7 trillion traded every day. But here's the catch. The market doesn't care about you. Brokers knows the statistics. Most accounts are wiped in the first 3 to 6 months. Why? Because beginners jump in thinking it's a get-rich-quick scheme. The truth? Forex isn't a lottery ticket. It's a skill. And skill requires time, discipline, and structure. Now here is the 4 reasons most traders fail. Number 1, lack of education. Most traders don't take time to learn the basics, such as risk management, lot sizes, market structure. They jump straight into signals and copy trading. That's like trying to drive a race car without even knowing how to use the brakes. Number 2, over-leveraging. Leverage is a double-edged sword. A $100 account with 1:500 leverage sounds exciting, but it also means you can blow the account in minutes. The 90% don't respect leverage. The 10% use it strategically. Number 3, no risk management. They risk 50% of the account in one trade. Let's say, for instance, they fund $100, and in one trade, they are risking half of the account, which is $50 or even more. That's poor risk management, hoping to double overnight. Professionals, they risk 1 to 2% max. That's why pros survive losing streak and beginners get wiped out. Number 4, emotional trading. Greed, fear, revenge trading. These emotions kill accounts faster than bad strategy. The 10% learn to control emotions with rules, journals, and discipline. How to be in the 10%? Now let's talk solutions. How do you flip the script and join the winning side? Number 1, pick a market pair you enjoy. Specialize, study it, know it for yourself, learn it till you gain mastery over it. Don't chase every pair. Number 2, use proper risk management. Risk 1 to 2% of your account per trade always. Number 3, focus on education, not shortcuts. Learn price action, market psychology, strategy building. Number 4, have a trading plan. Know when to enter, when to exit, and when to stay out. Number 5, think long term. Forex isn't about one lucky trade. It's about compounding over months and years. If you do these things, you will instantly separate yourself from the 90% of Forex traders who lose money every day. Because the truth is, most people won't do them. And that's your edge. So here's my challenge to you. Don't just watch this video and move on. Pick one of these shifts and start applying it today. If you're serious about not being part of the 90%, hit subscribe and follow me. Because in my upcoming videos, I'll be breaking down strategies and insights that can take you from struggling beginner to a consistent trader. The choice is yours. 90% or 10%.